how to deposit money in Rainbet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So basically, first you need to head over to rainbet.com and log into your account. Over here, click on the green wallet icon at the top. After that, a window will pop up in front of you. Then click on the deposit option. Over here, if you have an affiliate code, you can redeem it. After that, select your banking method, either Interact or Pix. Then just click on Pix over here. Once Pix loads, type the amount, your first name, last name, and CPF. After that, select your crypto. You can choose from BTC, Ethereum, USD, LTC, Solana, TRX, TON, BNB, and more. Then click on BTC. Over here, your wallet address will be displayed. You can simply copy the address or scan the code using another device. If you don't have crypto, then you can buy it using Visa card, MasterCard, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. It's powered by MoonPay and works reliably. Then you can deposit crypto into your account using any of these options. So that's basically how you can use Hula app AI video generator. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.